Welcome to New Car. Today, we present the Volkswagen Type 2 in a classic green and white finish, an icon of vintage automotive culture. This legendary van, also known as the Microbus or Kombi, is a symbol of freedom, adventure, and timeless design. With its distinctive two-tone paint, rounded edges, and signature VW emblem on the front, the Type 2 remains a beloved classic among collectors and enthusiasts. At the front, the large, round headlights and simple yet elegant grille define its nostalgic charm. The flat windshield and split window design, present in earlier models, enhance its retro appeal. The robust yet lightweight body construction ensures durability, making it perfect for long road trips and camping adventures. The sliding side door provides easy access to the spacious cabin, while the steel wheels with chrome hubcaps complete the vintage aesthetic. Under the hood, the Volkswagen Type 2 is powered by a rear-mounted, air-cooled flat-4 engine, delivering between 30 to 50 horsepower, depending on the model year. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this van offers a smooth and reliable driving experience. While not built for speed, the Type 2 excels in practicality and efficiency, making it a favorite among travelers and van life enthusiasts. The suspension setup ensures a comfortable ride, even on uneven terrain, reinforcing its reputation as a go-anywhere vehicle. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious and versatile interior, designed for both comfort and utility. The minimalist dashboard features classic analog gauges, a large steering wheel, and simple yet functional controls. The seating layout varies, with options ranging from a standard passenger setup to camper-style configurations with foldable beds and storage compartments. The large windows provide excellent visibility and an airy feel, making every journey enjoyable. Many owners customize their Type 2 with wooden paneling, vintage upholstery, and modern conveniences, while preserving its retro charm. At the rear, the distinctive engine cover and small round taillights maintain the van's classic appeal. The split rear doors offer easy access to cargo space, making it a practical choice for road trips, business use, or daily driving. With its timeless design and legendary reliability, the Volkswagen Type 2 continues to be a symbol of nostalgia and freedom. The Volkswagen Type 2 Green and White Edition is a collector's dream, with prices varying based on condition, restoration, and modifications. Whether restored to its original glory or converted into a modern camper, this van remains an enduring icon of automotive history. Stay tuned to New Car for more classic and modern vehicle showcases. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on this legendary van.